Welcome back to Turbo Car Choice, the place where future cars meet real talk. Today we're diving into a smart, clean, and all-electric ride that's ready to redefine daily driving. This is the 2026 USA white Chevrolet Bolt EV, a car that proves electric mobility doesn't have to be boring or expensive. At first glance, the white Chevrolet Bolt EV looks fresh and modern. The clean paint highlights its smooth curves, compact shape, and aerodynamic design. The front end feels confident with sleek LED headlights, a closed grille that reminds you it's fully electric, and a futuristic vibe that fits perfectly into city life. It's small enough to park anywhere, but bold enough to stand out on the road. Step inside, and the Bolt EV surprises you. The cabin feels open, airy, and tech-focused. A large digital display takes center stage, giving you easy access to navigation, battery status, and driving modes. The interior design is simple but smart, with comfortable seats, good legroom, and a layout that makes everyday driving stress-free. Whether you're commuting or cruising, everything feels within reach. Performance is where the 2026 Bolt EV really shines. The electric motor delivers instant torque, meaning quick acceleration the moment you touch the pedal. It's smooth, silent, and perfect for city traffic. Chevrolet has also improved battery efficiency, offering a solid driving range that makes daily charging worries a thing of the past. Plug it in at home or use fast charging on the go, and you're back on the road in no time. Safety and technology are a big focus here. The Bolt EV comes packed with advanced driver assist features like lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and smart cruise control. These features work together to make driving safer, easier, and more confident, especially on busy American roads. The 2026 Chevrolet Bolt EV is more than just an electric car. It's practical, affordable, and built for real life. If you're thinking about switching to electric without sacrificing comfort or convenience, this car deserves your attention. This has been Turbo Car Choice, and if you enjoyed this review, stay connected for more exciting cars shaping the future of driving.